Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the right thread and hair condition. This matters for hold and hair safety. Use 100% cotton thread about 0. 5 1 meter long, not the end so you don't lose tension. Once done, section slightly damp, detangle, and take a 1-2 centimeter subsection. Anchor the thread at the root and wrap toward the tip with 3 to 5 snug turns. This creates the core tension that forms the curl. It's not rope tight, but secure. You now convert wrapped sections into curls by rolling them up. Roll the thread wrap subsection upward toward the scalp until it coils neatly. Make sure to keep consistent tension. That's why holding the base steady matters, because inconsistent tension makes uneven curls. If you want tighter curls, add 1 or 2 extra wraps before rolling. For looser waves, use fewer. Once coiled, secure each roll with a pin or clip. Repeat the process across sections, keeping the rolling direction uniform for a cohesive result. You finish by letting the hair dry fully. Air drying is gentler, or use a dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once dry, remove pins gently and unroll each thread slowly to prevent frizz and breakage. Make sure to separate curls with fingers rather than a brush, and apply a light serum if needed. If a curl slips, rewrap that section with slightly increased tension and secure again. If frizz appears, use a small amount of smoothing product and avoid over-manipulating the curl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.